Hi, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Ford Kuga, stock reference number 5890. This shape ran from the 11th of 2014 to the 9th of 2016. It has a TF 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our TF 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine. Grille, left-hand headlight, left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre, left front guard, no dents, bonnet, no dents, left-hand mirror, left front door, no dents, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre, left-hand tail light, tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim, right front master switch, center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, control panel, screen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio cruise and phone buttons.